Okay, so I thought I'd do a bit of an update on this carb with the inlet thread repair kit in there. I was curious myself as to if that repair plug blocked the inlet at all. So there's no way to really tell from the outside, so I took the top off and I'm going to take the float out and we'll see what it looks like in there. Alright, so I have the, I took the float out, it's right there, and it took out the jet, that's right here, where the needle sits. So let's have a look in here, see if we can see. I'm trying to angle this so the sun is on it. So here's the opening, and here's the small O-ring that goes in first, and here's the threads of the plug that screws in. So as you can see, it does block the opening a bit. So what I did, I put 2 washers on the plug just to bring that out a bit more, just in case. And see, now it's not blocking it, it's not blocking as much, so thinking that'll be better. And it doesn't leak, the screw still goes in. Bit of an angle because the plug is further out, but I just thought I'd show you guys that because I was curious myself if that blocked it, because this is the short version of this plug, because I have the short fuel filter, so that's why you have to get the short repair kit. Okay, hope that helps.